Looking for a reliable way to stay active, independent, and comfortable during daily trips and outdoor adventures? Best Mobility Scooters for Elderly provide safety, convenience, and freedom for confident travel wherever you need to go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Ecomobi 32 Miles Mobility Scooter. The Ecomobi 32 Miles Mobility Scooter is built for users who need dependable performance on a variety of outdoor terrains. Equipped with a powerful 1000W motor and a large-capacity 960WH battery, it delivers impressive speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and a travel range of up to 32 miles on a single charge. Its ability to climb slopes up to 20 degrees makes it well-suited for rural roads, campgrounds, farm paths, and other challenging environments. Comfort is a major strength thanks to its 6-way adjustable seating system that allows users to customize their riding position. Safety features such as mirrors, turn signals, headlights, seat belts, and a reliable braking system provide added confidence during travel. The suspension system helps absorb bumps for a smoother ride, while generous storage compartments and a USB charging port enhance convenience. Overall, this scooter combines power, comfort, and practicality for everyday mobility and outdoor adventures. Number 2. PAISEEC S3 Mobility Scooter. The PAISEEC S3 Mobility Scooter is a feature-rich option designed for users who value portability, comfort, and long-range performance. Its dual detachable lithium batteries provide an impressive range of up to 40 miles, making it ideal for extended outings, vacations, and daily errands. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame supports up to 300 pounds while remaining easy to transport thanks to its quick-folding design. Air-filled tires and a stable four-wheel platform deliver a comfortable ride across a variety of indoor and outdoor surfaces. The large HD display clearly shows important information such as speed and battery status, while the adjustable tiller and padded seat allow users to customize their comfort. One standout feature is the AI-assisted safety system, which automatically adjusts speed during turns and descents to improve stability. Voice alerts provide additional awareness during travel. Combining advanced technology with portability and comfort, the PAISEEC S3 is a practical choice for active users.
Number 3. VEVOR Heavy-Duty 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The VEVOR Heavy-Duty 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter is designed for users who require exceptional power and durability. Driven by a robust 1,000-watt brushless motor, it handles steep inclines with ease and supports an impressive weight capacity of up to 500 pounds. The high-capacity battery provides a travel range of up to 21.5 miles, allowing users to complete errands or enjoy outdoor adventures without frequent recharging. Large 16-inch tubeless tires and spring suspension help the scooter perform confidently on grass, gravel, pavement, and uneven surfaces. Safety is a major focus, including a complete lighting system, front and rear braking systems, anti-tip wheels, mirrors, a seat belt, and an anti-theft alarm. 3 adjustable speed modes allow users to choose the pace that best suits their needs, whether for leisurely rides or faster transportation. Built for strength and stability, this scooter delivers dependable mobility in demanding conditions. Number 4. JDMSCTBH 350 to 400 pound mobility scooter. The JDMSCTBH mobility scooter is designed with comfort and practicality in mind, making it a solid option for users seeking a spacious and supportive ride. Its larger-than-average frame provides extra room and stability, while the powerful motor delivers reliable performance for daily transportation needs. Capable of traveling between 20 to 26 miles on a single charge and reaching speeds up to 10 miles per hour, it offers a good balance between efficiency and convenience. The adjustable seat is one of its strongest features, providing ample cushioning, customizable height settings, and flip-up armrests for easier access. Safety is enhanced through an electromagnetic braking system that automatically engages when needed, helping prevent unwanted movement on slopes. The scooter also includes a manual operation mode that allows it to be pushed when the battery is depleted. Overall, it provides a comfortable and user-friendly mobility solution with features designed to support everyday independence. Number 5. SKRT Electric 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The SKRT Electric 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter combines strong performance with a comprehensive set of features designed for outdoor mobility. Its 800-watt brushless motor provides enough power to tackle slopes up to 20 degrees while supporting riders weighing up to 500 pounds. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of approximately 25 miles for charge, it offers both efficiency and versatility for daily travel. The scooter includes 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing users to choose the pace that matches their comfort level and environment. Large tires, rear shock absorbers, and a stable 4-wheel design contribute to a smoother ride across grass, sand, snow, and uneven terrain. Safety and convenience features include headlights, brake lights, mirrors, turn signals, an LCD display, a parking brake, and dual storage compartments. Built for reliability and comfort, this scooter is well suited for users who need dependable transportation in a variety of conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.